Your outdoor sauna weathers the elements year-round, but with the right care, the wood can stay beautiful and protected for decades to come. Let's talk about maintaining your sauna's exterior. For starters, clean the wood with a mild detergent and water mixture. Use a soft brush to remove dirt, mildew, or debris, and rinse thoroughly. Let the wood dry completely before applying any treatment such as wood oil, sauna wood stains, or sauna wax. For long-lasting protection, apply an exterior-grade stain or sealant with UV inhibitors. Use a brush or roller to work along the grain of the wood for even coverage. 2 thin coats are better than 1 thick coat, and be sure to let each layer dry before fully applying the next. Inspect your sauna regularly for cracks, fading, or signs of mildew. Reapply stain or sealant every 2 to 4 years depending on weather exposure. And if you have a barrel sauna, remember to tighten bands as needed to maintain their shape. Ready to preserve your sauna's beauty? Visit saunaplace.com or call 931-516-6577 for premium stains, sealants, and expert advice. Don't forget to subscribe and remember to protect your investment because your sauna deserves to look as good as it feels.